Hi, my name is Charu, and actually we are the manufacturer of leather products. We manufacture all the leather gifting items, whether it is corporate gifting, wedding gifting, or any festival gifting, occasional gifting, leather products for hotel industry, and any kind of leather products. So we are into the manufacturing of those products, and we are into this from last 5 years. So my name is Charu. I am the owner of this company. So now I'll take you through the products which we are displaying here today. So first of all, I would like to showcase the products which we are specifically here for the gifting category. These all are the gift hamper baskets which we are displaying today. This you can use to create any gift hampers, whether it is for wedding or any birthday or any anniversary or any kind of festival occasions or any kind of gifting you want. So we can also do the customization in the colors and in the designs and in the size as well, whatever as per the client's requirement. This product is a water bottle case. So basically we have designed this for the travelers, those people who travel a lot, so they can carry their water bottles in these boxes, and it is looking a bit classy and giving the leather finish. So these are this is a smaller size. This is for the kids, okay, and this is also a kind of basket, or we can use this for gifting or any storage kind of things. This we have made to carry your eatables. If you are going to any picnic or anywhere out, so you can carry all your eatables in this. So just to give it a classy look, these are the storage baskets. You can keep the your laundry or the toys kids के लिए जो होता है, you can keep in this. These all are the gifting baskets. These are the trays which you can use for creating hampers and all, okay. And these kind of trays are also you can use these for table decor, home decor, or any kind of office decor. These are the travel accessories which one can carry while they are traveling. This is the kit in which they can store all their travel accessories kind of things. Then we are into home decor and table decor as well. Like we can make any design in photo frames or any tableware items in leather and leatherite only. These are the airport case. Airport का जो case होता है, these are that. These all are the gifting baskets required for creating any gift hampers or anything. So now moving forward, we are also into wedding gifting. So these are the wedding trays. In these wedding trays, you can pack the wedding clothing and all, just to give as a gift or souvenir or anything, okay. So we have a lot of different designs and the sizes. So this is complete the wedding gifting collection which we have designed specifically for the wedding gifting, like whether it is for wedding products packaging or any return gifts which we would like to give to the guests whatever they are coming. These are the jewelry boxes. These are the jewelry boxes, okay, which one can use to store their precious treasure or any jewelry they have. This one is not in leather. These are in suede fabric. So we also work in fabric and suede fabrics, normal fabric and suede fabric as well. These are the customized boxes for Raksha Bandhan. You can use these boxes to make any hamper or put eatables inside or anything. This is the leather dustbin which one can use in their homes and any cafes, hotels or anywhere. This is for home, this is for storage. This is basically a laundry basket. You can keep your laundry in this. So this is a classy leatherite laundry basket, not the usual one which we keep in our homes. This is the complete combo pack which we have designed for wedding gifting. So this is the tray plus a sweet box in which one can give the return sweet box. Sweeties. This is the jewelry box. Bangle box and jewelry box. This is the showstopper, I guess. This is specifically made for the keeping bridal lehengas and पुराने ज़माने में आप लोगों ने देखा होगा ट्रंक्स वगैरह होता था लाइक सो वी हैव कुछ उसको मेमोरीज को कुछ रिलीव करने के लिए एंड कुछ थोड़ा सा उसमें ट्विस्ट लाने के लिए सो वी हैव मेड दिस काइंड ऑफ बॉक्सेस. इसको घर पे लाइक वी कैन कीप फॉर डेकोर एज वेल. This is the Shringar box for brides. So it has a mirror and it has a tray in which they can keep their makeup or any kind of jewelry. So this is our complete wedding collection. Moving forward, we also have this customized leather journals. The designs and the sizes that can be customized as per the client's requirement. So we have all the range from whether it is a watch box or it is a big home decor item or it is a home storage item, wedding gifting item, wedding item. So we have the complete range as of now with us. And moving forward, obviously we cannot display all the products here. So we can make any design, any size in any kind of leather or fabric, since we are into the manufacturing of this products. So if anybody is interested, they can surely come to us. They can surely contact us. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.